Place of birth endorsement into the CDC. What are the options do we have? Online, offline. What are the documents do we require to do that? And what is the procedure? Everything I'm going to share with you in this video. Hey guys, this is Akshay Kumar and welcome back to the new fresh video guys. Yes guys, this video is about a place of birth endorsement into the CDC. As you guys know, I went to a Kolkata MMD personally to get it done. Well, there are so many of information I'm going to share with you, and even though I'm going to give you one bonus tip for those people who does not have a place of birth written on their CDC. Alright, so before I proceed, make sure you subscribe my channel, press that bell icon with all notification on, so when I make more informative videos like this, you get notified automatically. And if you want to talk to me personally, my Instagram ID link is given down in the description below. You can follow me out over there and you can ask me your personal questions. Let's get started. So guys, over here there are going to be two situations. What is the first situation is where you already have a CDC, but in the CDC the place of birth which is written, there is a spelling mistake, or maybe it doesn't match with the passport, and the result is you are going to face a rejection of a SID card if you apply for that. All right, second situation is where you do not have a place of birth written on the CDC, which was my case as well. Means I did not have a place of birth at all, means at all. All right, so now let's talk about for the first situation where you already have a CDC, but the place of birth which is written, there is a spelling mistake, or maybe it doesn't match with the passport. So guys, in that case, the very first step you have to go through is you have to update your DD shipping profile. Well, how you can update that, how you can apply for the correction, if you want to know that, I have already prepared a video which you will find on the I button. You can watch out that video later on after this video, and you will get a complete steps how you can get it done. When your DD shipping profile is completely updated and whatever the place of birth you want to have it over there, when it is approved, after that you have to apply for a replacement of the CDC. So guys, the only solution remain for you is you have to apply for a replacement of the CDC, where the procedure is going to be the same the way you applied a new CDC. The same procedure you have to follow up in your DD shipping profile, and you will get a new CDC with the updated place of birth within 20 to 25 days from a MMD. All right, now let's talk about a second situation which was my case as well, where I did not have a place of birth written at all on my CDC. So guys, these points came into the notice of DD shipping, and they enrolled a one new circular through all the MMDs where place of birth endorsement of the CDC will be done by the MMD, because it is necessary to have a place of birth in a CDC. All right, so guys, there is a circular from a DD shipping where it allow all the Indian seafarers who does not have a place of birth in their Indian CDCs, so we can approach directly to MMDs, doesn't matter Kolkata, Bombay or Chennai, and you can get it done within a one working day. All right, so guys, now over here what documents are required, what is the procedure, let me share with you. So now first of all, the same step you have to follow up. Make sure your DD shipping profile is updated, and whatever place of birth you want to have it, make sure it is updated and approved. So now you are good to go. So guys, we have a 3 MMDs, Chennai, Kolkata and Bombay, and what documentations which are required first of all to get it done, this place of birth endorsement into your CDCs. First thing, you have to write an application to a shipping master requesting place of birth endorsement into the CDC. Second thing, you will require a copy of passport. Third thing, you will require a DD shipping profile printout, and the fourth thing, you will require a endorsed copy. All right, these are the documents which are required. Now let me talk about first of all Chennai MMD. So well guys, this MMD does provide one facility where you can send all these documents along with your original CDC by speed post to the MMD, and they will do your all the correction. But make sure when you are sending a speed post, you have to put 100 rupees post ticket into that envelope. So when your all the corrections are done, means they have done an endorsement of the place of birth in your CDC, they can send back your envelope to you. They are not going to spend their own money for you. Okay, so you have to send, or you can directly approach a MMD of Chennai and then you can apply for this place of birth. All right, so you have to go before 12 o'clock in the morning, and then I think around 4 o'clock, 4:30 they will return you back your CDC with the place of birth endorsement. So that's how you can do it into Chennai. But now in Mumbai and Kolkata, I did email these both the MMDs, and I tried to contact them, even the phone numbers which are provided. Sometimes they pick up the call, but some of the other department only the person will talk and they will tell you to put this extension, and you will end up means not having a word with the appropriate person. All right, so guys, I did not get any of the information from these MMDs whether they does provide any of the speed post facility or not. So guys, in that case you have to approach a MMDs. All right, so guys, in this case you have to approach these MMDs, and now all the documentation which I told you have to carry with you along with your original CDC, and make sure you go before 12 o'clock in the morning so you get your CDC within the same working day. All right, and around 4 o'clock to 4:30 you will receive your CDC which will have an endorsed your place of birth. All right, on the last page of the observation, this is how it will look like. This is how my CDC looks like basically now. On the last page of the CDC, they will put an observation and they will put one stamp of the shipping master with the signature. All right, so guys, this is how you can do it. And so now let's talk about the bonus tip which I told you. Well guys, if you don't want to go MMD first of all, and the second thing, you don't want to send your documentations through speed post. All right, so now guys, over here you have an option. Once you are done with the DD shipping profile, when it is completely updated, whatever the information should be there, after that you can also apply for a replacement of the CDC. Means it is not necessary you guys have to go to a MMD and you have to apply, you have to request for a place of birth endorsement to the CDC. No, not at all. There is no such thing at all. Well guys, you guys can also apply for a replacement of the CDC. In my case, I did not do that because again, you have to pay for the money. First thing is, even though if you pay for the money, that's even a good option you have, but still, means you apply for the new CDC, then it will come after 20 to 25 days. Means there is a such of long process is there. All right, and even though if you are living nearby to the MMD, it is good for you. After all, the Kolkata MMD was really far to me, but still I went over there because I was not doing anything. I was just sitting at home, so it was just kind of good for me. I really explored the Kolkata and it was just kind of good information I had. All right guys, so, and anyways, I had enough time and I did not want to take a chance just sending my CDC by a speed post to a Kolkata, because as I did not get any information, they do provide this facility, so that's why I just went personally to a Kolkata MMD and I get it done and I came back. And if you haven't watched my vlog, so you can watch out my vlog which is available into this I section as well. So guys, these are the documentations, these are the procedures which you have. If you don't want to send your CDC through speed post and all those documentation, so you can also apply for a replacement of a CDC and you will get your new CDC. So there is going to be no problem at all. But there is a circular from a DD shipping where you can get it done through a place of birth endorsement. All right, so guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and if yes, then please make sure you like this video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe the channel. Please tell me in the comment section how was the video. Let me know your suggestions and some good points about the video. And if you haven't shared this video, please make sure you do share. Maybe some people are looking for the information and you can help them out. All right, I will see you in the next video and take care. Bye bye. So guys, I'm done with my CDC endorsement and basically I got my place of birth on my CDC now. Alright, that is the marine house. Well, everything I'm gonna show you what documents were basically asked to me and what documents they took from me, and means what is the basically complete procedure. Can you just see that dhaba behind over there? That's the thing where I had my lunch of today. And in this video I'm gonna show you the cheapest way how you can come from railway station, Howrah railway station to MMD Kolkata.